Hi, my name is Sujit Shetty and I am the president of the Goa Technology Association. And we at GTA, we welcome the GTA, that is the Goa Taxi Aggregator Guidelines 2025. GTA not only looks at these guidelines from the perspective of helping the tourists, but we are more looking from the point of view of how technology enabled services can be brought into the state, be it in any kind of application or departments. Now, commutation is becoming one of the biggest challenge in a state like Goa, where we don't have very good road transport, or the mobility becomes a big challenge, not only for the citizens of the country or the locals, but also for the general public when they want to commute from one place to the other. So when you talk about such kind of aggregators, where we find a lot of convenience when we go to cities like Mumbai or Bangalore or Delhi, where it is very convenient to go from place A to place B. So basically, we are strongly supporting any kind of a technology innovation, because this is in line with the digital innovation initiative that has been followed across the country. So we really look forward to having a lot of technology-enabled services in a place like Goa, because we are really looking at Goa to be the technology hub. So these kind of services will not only empower the locals to commute, but also will help in general bring other companies and set up other companies in Goa and help them to make sure that there is easy commutation to their offices or industries. So I think overall, if you look at it, is something that is going to be very, very beneficial to the state.